Hello guys, my name is Vira Mareta Agsantia. My student number 100. I am from class A. I will answer the mid-test ESP questions. Number 1. English for specific purpose or ESP is an English learning approach where the things taught and the teaching method are based on the reasons why the learner wants to learn English. It can be concluded that ESP or English for special purposes is an approach in teaching and using English for special fields and studies that are in accordance with the needs of the field of science and professions that use English. Number 2. The origin of ESP along with the development of human activities. ESP is not only shown as a plain change, but as a phenomenon that grows out of focus. There are three main reasons for the origins of ESP. Number 1. The demands of a brave new world. This happened because of the activity of exchanging goods and services after the World War. English is the key to the circulation of technology in international trade. Knowledge of English is generally considered a prerequisite for good education. The acceptance of English as an international language creates a new generation that knows the specifics of why they are learning the language. Number 2. A revolution in linguistics. Traditionally, the aim of linguistics is to describe the rules of using English, namely grammar. The language in which we speak and write will vary and in a number of different ways from one context to another. Third, focus on the learner. Students have different needs and interests which will have an important influence on their motivation to learn a language and its effectiveness so that they learn faster and better. According to Robinson 1990, ESP has three main characteristics, namely, first, ESP is goal-oriented learning. In this context, learners learn English not because they want to know the language as a language and the culture it contains, but learners learn ESP because it has specific goals in academic and professional fields with one another. Second, ESP substance is designed and developed based on the concept of needs analysis. The concept of needs analysis aims to specialize and relate and bring closer what students' needs in both academic and professional fields. Third, ESP is more aimed at adult learners than children or adolescents because ESP is generally taught at the middle academic and work professional levels. Number 4. To analyze the learning needs for students, we can make a framework first. Learning needs analysis framework. Why do students take subjects? Obligation or choice? Status, finance involved in promotion. How do students learn? From the background of the lesson, from the concept of teaching and learning. What sources are available? Total ability and professional teachers. Teachers' attitude towards ESP. Who are the students? Age, gender, nationality. What do they know about English? Where will the ESP take place? Pleasant place, flat, noisy, cold. When will ESP take place? Every day or once a week? Full time or part time? Number 5. ESP characteristic. First, ESP focuses on training. ESP concentrates more on language in context than on teaching grammar and language structures. Second, ESP is built on an assessment of purposes or needs and the function for which English is required. Third, in ESP is a need analysis that determines which language skills are most needed by the students, and the syllabus is designed accordingly. Fourth, ESP is likely designed for adult learners either at a tertiary level in an institution or in professional work situations. EGP characteristic. First, EGP focuses on the English language in primary and secondary school education. Second, EGP is to achieve a high standard of everyday English communication skills. Third, it covers the four main skills of reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Fourth, course content is more difficult to select since the future English needs of the learner are hard to predict. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.